Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. Today, I'm working with some chunky glitter acrylic. Gonna cut it on my Glowforge and design. I'm working with these pendant trays that I get from Amazon, and I have a link in the description if you're interested in getting them. I'm going to put some UV resin on them and then glue them into the pendant trays. The acrylic comes with a protective clear plastic over it, so that's what I'm doing now is I'm removing the plastic from the pieces, and it's on the front and the back. This piece is an earring and the earring hole didn't quite cut out, so I'm having to be creative to get my earring hole to come out. This acrylic is so pretty, it's hard to tell the front from the back. I looked in my stash and I found this gold ball chain that I had, so I decided that I would use that to string one of the pendants on. This is a thin wire choker that I get from Amazon. That I'm going to use on another of the pendants. If you're new here and you like these kinds of videos, I have over 800 videos, so I invite you to subscribe. My next goal is to get to 10,000 subscribers. All right, good people, you know the drill. If you like this video, please like, leave me a thumbs up, give me a comment, hit the bell to be notified when we upload new content. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.